What if I told you there's a humble green vegetable sitting in your local grocery store that could help manage one of the world's fastest-growing chronic conditions, diabetes? Yes, we're talking about okra, often called lady's finger. Beyond its role in traditional cuisines, okra has gained significant attention in scientific circles as a potential natural remedy for managing diabetes. Packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds, this unassuming vegetable could be a game-changer in the fight against high blood sugar. Before we dive into the video, please make sure to subscribe to Aneya Healthy Living, and also hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Let's dive into the fascinating research and explore how okra works its magic in regulating blood sugar levels. What makes okra special? Before we delve into its impact on diabetes, let's understand what makes okra nutritionally unique. This green pod is rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates. This process helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded spikes and crashes. Okra also contains compounds like flavonoids, polyphenols, and mucilage, a sticky, gel-like substance. These compounds are known to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to insulin resistance. Furthermore, okra is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A, and magnesium, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining overall metabolic health. How does okra impact blood sugar? Scientists have conducted various studies to investigate okra's potential as a natural aid for diabetes management. Here are some compelling findings. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences revealed that diabetic rats fed with okra extract experienced significant reductions in blood sugar levels. Researchers attributed this to okra's ability to block the absorption of sugar in the intestines and enhance insulin sensitivity. Role of okra seeds. Okra seeds, often discarded, are a treasure trove of anti-diabetic properties. Research published in Biomedical Research highlighted that okra seed powder effectively lowered fasting blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. The study pointed to the seed's rich antioxidant profile as a key factor in reducing oxidative damage to pancreatic beta cells, which are responsible for insulin production. Human trials and promising results. While most studies have been conducted on animals, some emerging human trials show promise. Anecdotal evidence from people consuming okra regularly has reported improved glycemic control. However, more large-scale clinical trials are needed to confirm these effects in humans conclusively. How does okra work to manage diabetes? Let's break down the mechanisms by which okra may help manage blood sugar levels. Slowing sugar absorption. The mucilage in okra acts as a natural barrier in the gut, slowing down sugar absorption and preventing post-meal glucose spikes, enhancing insulin sensitivity. The antioxidants in okra help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that impair insulin function. By improving insulin sensitivity, okra supports better glucose uptake by cells, supporting gut health. Okra's fiber content nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, which play a significant role in regulating metabolism and blood sugar levels. Reducing lipid levels. High cholesterol often accompanies diabetes, and okra has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels, further protecting against cardiovascular complications. Incorporating okra into your diet. Adding okra to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some easy ways to enjoy its benefits. Okra water. This simple remedy has gained popularity among diabetics. To make okra water, cut a few fresh okra pods, soak them in water overnight, and drink the infused water the next morning. The mucilage released in the water is believed to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Cooked okra. Include okra in soups, stews, or stir-fries. Cooking okra preserves its nutritional value and adds a healthy twist to your meals. Pickled okra. If you enjoy tangy flavors, try pickled okra. It's a delicious way to add probiotics to your diet, which further supports gut health and metabolic regulation. Roasted okra seeds. Don't toss those seeds. Roast them lightly and sprinkle them on salads or snack on them directly for a dose of antioxidants and anti-diabetic properties. Precautions and limitations. While okra shows immense potential, it's important to approach it as a complementary strategy rather than a standalone treatment for diabetes. Here are a few points to consider. Interactions with medications. Okra may interfere with the absorption of metformin, a common diabetes medication. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Allergies and sensitivities. Some people may have an allergy or sensitivity to okra. Introduce it gradually and monitor your body's response. Balanced diet. Okra works best as part of a balanced diet that includes other nutrient-dense foods, regular physical activity, and proper medical care. Okra's role in preventing complications. Beyond controlling blood sugar, okra offers benefits that can help prevent diabetes-related complications. Protecting the heart. Diabetes increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and okra's ability to lower cholesterol and reduce oxidative stress offers a protective effect. Supporting kidney health. High blood sugar can damage the kidneys over time. Okra's antioxidants may reduce oxidative damage and support kidney function. Improving eye health. Diabetes often leads to vision problems. The vitamin A and flavonoids in okra help protect against retinal damage and maintain healthy vision. The future of okra in diabetes research. While current research is promising, the future holds even more potential for okra's role in diabetes management. Scientists are exploring ways to isolate and harness the active compounds in okra to develop natural supplements and treatments. Imagine a world where managing diabetes becomes as simple as incorporating a few fresh pods into your meals. With ongoing research and increased awareness, okra could become a staple in diabetic-friendly diets worldwide. Now we wrap up here. Okra might not be the first food you think of when it comes to diabetes management, but its unique combination of nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds makes it a powerful ally. From regulating blood sugar to protecting against complications, okra's benefits are worth exploring. If you or someone you know is navigating the challenges of diabetes, why not give this natural remedy a try? Pair it with a healthy lifestyle, regular medical care, and mindful eating habits, and you may find yourself unlocking a new level of control and well-being. Diabetes may be a complex condition, but with solutions like okra on your side, managing it doesn't have to be. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new and are inspired to make okra a part of your routine for managing diabetes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on nutrition and wellness. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your health journey starts with small, consistent steps. Let's take them together. See you in the next video.